actually solving linear equation word problems, and it's like a foundation. So we have this first question which says Derek has $22 and Colin has X dollars. Okay, so Derek has 22 and Colin has X. So which of the following represent the total amount of money Derek and Colin have in total? So it says if we plus Derek money, the one he has, and the Colin's money, how much will we have? So it's just not demanding what money it will have, but it's just demanding how we will represent it, right? So Derek has $22 and pretend like Colin has X dollars. So it will be like X plus 22. So that's what the statement that we got, right? So we'll just, so we'll just take this option. It's the correct one. So, yes, this option is correct, and other options are not correct. So when you actually solve it by yourself, you don't even need to look into the options. Then we have the second question, which says at Andy's market, the price of a box of a brand name cereal is 1.5 times the price of a generic bowl cereal. So it says a brand new cereal and a general cereal प्राइस के बारे में बताया जा रहा है, राइट? सो इट सेज जो जेनरिक सीरियल है और जो ब्रांड न्यू सीरियल है उसका जो प्राइस है 1.5 टाइम्स ज़्यादा है. सो इट सेज इफ द प्राइस ऑफ अ box of a brand name cereal is 3.60, which of the following can be used to determine X, the price of a generic cereal in dollars? So it's just that we need to find out that what could be the price of that generic cereal. Okay, so we'll look into the options. The first option says X divided 1.5, so this will go there and will get multiplied. No, this is not the answer. We need to minus 1.5 from 3.6, right? We need to deduct everything out there. So I think so first of all, what is X? So X is the price of a box. Okay, and then I think it will go with 1.5x. We'll go here and we'll get here. I think in total D will be an answer, or I think B will be an answer. Okay, so why B is an answer? This choice correctly shows that the price of a box of a brand name cereal is 1.5 times the price of a box of generic cereal. So this actually allows us to actually get a good answer. But when we have the next question, so it says Samir spent half as long working on his physics homework as Corey did. So he actually spent all like Corey did, but like half of the amount that Corey paid. Take care, like half amount of the time she actually spent. If Samir spent 40 minutes on his physics homework, how long did Corey spend on his homework? So when it talks about half, so if we see 40 could be half of one thing only. If we have 80, so 40 is the half of 80. So it's just a logic thing, and then you get your correct answer. Then we have this last question. It says Marisol burned 670 calories while exercising on Monday. If Ling burned X fewer calories while exercising than Marisol did, which of the following represent the number of calories Ling burned? So it says X did burn the calories, but he did fewer than Marisol did. So how can we actually know that how much Ling did? So it could be, how can we represent it? So I think 670 calories and we minus X out of it could be this one. I think this could be a correct answer. X